So this is my report in designing product layout. So this layout is suitable from mass production environment where follow a standard to production process. So here's some key. So the first step is assembly line layout. Ito yung liner layout kung saan ang workstation ay inaayos in a sequence para i-assemble ang mga product step by step. For example, yung mga planta na nag-a-assembly ng mga sasakyan at mga linya ng paggawa ng mga electro. So, the second step is continuous process layout. So, sa mga ganitong layout, ang mga process ng mga product ay inaayos based sa mga daloy ng mga material or components. For example, yung mga oil refinery and chemical process plant. So, the first step is product layout in retail. Retail store often use product layout strategies to optimize customer flow and promote sales. So, for example, ang mga supermarket ay nag-aayos ng mga product according sa categories such as daily products, produce and canned goods, facilitating customer navigation and enhancing. So, the last step is office layout. Even in office environment, product layout principle can be applied to optimize workflow and efficiency. So, for example, sa isang document processing center like scanning data entry and verification ay maaaring ayusin in a sequential para maiwasan ng mga delay and errors. That's all. Thank you.